In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create auto subtitles in Descript. This is an incredibly useful tool for anyone looking to enhance the accessibility and professionalism of their videos without having to manually transcribe everything. Let's dive right in. First, you will need to go to Descript's website. If you've used Descript before, you probably have it bookmarked, but if not, simply type Descript into your search engine or enter the URL directly into your browser. Once you're on the Descript homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, there's an option to create one, which only takes a few moments. Once you're logged in, you'll see a variety of options. Look for your account icon, usually located in the top section of the page. This is where you can manage your projects and explore the other features Descript offers. Next, you'll want to open an existing project. If you're starting from scratch, you can also create a new one, but for today's purposes, we'll assume you have a project ready to go. Just find your project from the recent list and click to open it. Now that you have your project open, it's time to utilize the AI tools that Descript provides. Navigate to the section where it mentions AI tools. Descript's AI capabilities are quite powerful and can significantly cut down the time you spend editing. Inside the AI tools menu, you will see an option labeled Remove Filler Words. This is really handy for polishing your video's audio by identifying and eliminating unnecessary filler words like or Clicking on this option will highlight these words throughout your project. Once Descript identifies the filler words within your project, you need to find all the filler words by clicking on an option that says Find All Filler Words. This step helps the software provide a comprehensive scan of your audio, ensuring nothing is missed. The final step is to remove all the filler words. There should be a button that says Remove All. By selecting this, Descript will automatically take out all the unnecessary filler words, cleaning up your audio in a jiffy. It enhances clarity and flow by maintaining the professionalism of your video content. And there you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully transformed your audio into a clean and professional piece, ready for subtitles. Descript makes the process incredibly easy, maximizing both efficiency and quality. Thank you for watching this tutorial on creating auto subtitles in Descript. With practice, you'll find that these tools can drastically improve your video editing skills and enhance your overall workflow. Remember, the more you explore Descript, the better you'll become at making the most of its features. Keep experimenting and have fun creating your content.